We are reviewing Panini Dominion Hockey. We've waited like a year for this, but there's my wife not even waiting the intro. She's cutting the seal. You know, with a special implementation tool.
The box is too pretty.
I agree. The box is really pretty. She's having trouble with the box.
Well, I'm trying to not bugger up the box.
She's trying not to bugger up the box.
Shut up.
What would a box break be without me getting told to shut up? Hurry, the suspense is killing everybody. Once again, live TV, can't really miss it here. We thought we had this all done. But she is taking utmost care. I'm not even allowed to touch these cards, so utmost care to open the box. These cards are so good the box won't open. Oh,
there
dear.
we go.
Well, can you turn it this way, please? Here is a box, a just opened box of Panini Dominion. And I flip that around, you get a nice cool box. It's blue.
Another seal, just
Another
to make sure
seal.
nobody's messed with it.
But a really cool box that I'm going to
And
end up
thankfully
using
no
for
varnish
something.
smell.
Oh yeah, and no varnish smell from National Treasures. Now, this product is $400 box. Here's the checklist. You get 6 hits, 8 cards, 6 hits. $400. If everybody's has seen the pictures of these cards.
Okay, we got the seal open.
We've got the seal open. Flipping it over. Sort of, you're supposed to take the lid off and then flip it over.
No, the lid is stuck in.
Okay, well, whatever. I guess the cards are too.
So, our first card
Our first card.
is Patrick Kane.
Can you put it on the ground? Put it on
Numbered 74 of 199.
Our next card.
Autograph, Mark Dekanich.
Who's Mark?
Dekanich. 48 of 199.
Ooh, a parallel.
Eric Johnson of the Avs. 3 of 50.
3 of 50, everybody. Uh-oh.
This is beautiful.
What is it?
Martin St. Louis, 5 of 15.
Martin St. Louis, 5 of 15, All-Star Game patch.
Ah. A 1 of 1. Justin Braun. Printing press.
Printing plate.
Printing plate.
Justin Braun printing plate.
James Reimer goalie.
Show everybody.
22 of 99.
That's a patch, everybody. That's a patch. That's awesome.
$11 of 25.
Who is it?
Vincent LeCavalier.
Oh, okay, cool. Cool patch.
Matt Hackett.
Hey, it's from our hometown team.
Holy crap.
Wait, it's from our hometown team. The Wild.
167 of 199.
167 on 199. As you've heard, she already said holy crap. So let's see what this holy crap is. How's that holy crap?
Adam Graves, 61 of 99.
Okay.
And Dion Phaneuf.
Dion Phaneuf. Numbered.
154 of 199.
Awesome. So, let's look. In this box break, we got... Here are 2 base cards. Right? Okay. And then our rookie, I think. Matt Dekanich. Are you sure that's a rookie?
He's a rookie.
Who's Matt Dekanich? Here is the All-Star patch. 1 of 1 printing plate. Another really cool patch. Adam Graves. And the aforementioned Matt Hackett. Anyway, that is your box break from Panini Dominion. This is what $400 in a box looks like. And let me tell you, it's awesome. So go out and go buy it. If you can find a box of this product, go out and go buy it. That's her saying bye, because all of a sudden now she can't talk. I hope you enjoyed the box break.